And finally, the last one is what you did with your Marx work, the treatment adaptation. So adapt the DuBois text either into a film or into a video game. So you would write this in treatment style, not essayistic or dialogic style, but treatment style, which would be, you know, 10 short paragraphs written in epigrammatic outline form where you are presenting, your idea for the adaptation. So the first three parts of your adaptation are dealing with the problem of adaptation. Why are you adapting? What's wrong with the initial text, the original text, and why are you adapting into another form? So let me just take the opportunity here to talk about some of the weaknesses that I saw in the writing in terms of the Marx work that you did. So it's not enough just to say that a film or a video game gives greater access, that's more accessible. That's assuming that because it's more accessible and it's that it'll be more understandable and people will think the text or get the idea of the text in a better way. Whereas usually a film, especially if it's a blockbuster film and video game, are usually reducing to the lowest common denominator in order to get more of an audience. So you would have to prove to me, your reader, that just because you're reaching more people, it's necessarily a good thing, and it's necessarily an educative or or specifically a critically educative or pedagogical move. Okay, so you have to do that. So you have to look also at the weaknesses of going from a text to a video game or a film. Film and video games aren't God. They aren't the the better realized form of anything. They are another form. Indeed, they have advantages, they have strengths, but they also have their weaknesses, and you need to acknowledge what the weaknesses are. So you might gain something in terms of using the new genre, but at the same time, you're probably going to lose something. And that's really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for you to give a critical uh, argument for an adaptation, not just give an adaptation.